convert to automation test script. To make this conversion, tell me guys, we need some automation tool or not? Obviously, some automation tool we will use. So here we need some kind of automation tool. Here we need to make this conversion, we need some kind of automation tool. So now guys, what is our updated definition now? So can I say converting manual test case into automation test script by using some automation tool is called as automation. Is everyone getting the definition? Is everyone getting the definition? Okay. Okay. So guys, that same thing I wrote here, mention here. Note down this. Note down this. Guys, done with this? Can I show you print screen? Okay. Note it down. Everyone done with the copy? Everyone done with the copy? Okay. Okay. So guys, now this is about what is automation. Okay. Now guys, we will discuss why we go for automation. Okay. So now guys, we are going to discuss why we are going for automation. Can you tell me the answer, guys? Tell the answer. Why we go for automation? Time saving, convert the test case into test script, repetitive task, save time, accuracy, save time, accuracy, save time. Okay, okay, okay. Guys, guys, now I read your answer, guys. I read your answer. Listen to me very carefully. Why we go for automation? You guys are saying to reduce human effort. Okay, no problem, boss. I agree with you. Then you guys are saying to save time. Okay, now, guys, now I want to crack you on these 2 points. Tell me, guys, to reduce human efforts. How human efforts reduce low? Okay, I have manual test case. To convert that manual test case into automation test script, human effort not required. Means is it like by clicking one button, all manual test case convert to test script? Then where your human effort reduce low? Guys, now I will enjoy. Okay. अब मजा आएगा. Hmm. You tell the answer, na? I'm just having few questions. That's it. Hmm. How effort, how human effort will reduce? Means, do you think, guys, manual to automation test script is not a effort task? It's a effortless job. Okay. Now, you said next point, save time. Okay. Save time. How it will save time, low? Huh? To convert one manual test case into automation test script, guys, you may need 1 day. Within a 1 day, hardly you can convert, you can make 2 test scripts or 3 test scripts. Depends on complexity. Sometimes 2-3 days we require to make 1 test script if we are huge. Then guys, how it is saving time? Guys, are you getting what I am trying to say? Got confused? Guys, your answer is correct. Your answer is correct, but partially. See, guys, anyhow, I will not start manual part here. Manual testing, you know better than me. Okay, I will assume this. So, guys, here why we go for automation? Your answer is correct, but partially correct, guys. See, guys, to reduce human effort. But how it will reduce human effort, guys? Whenever any software is developed, any application developed, okay, that is not a final version of application. Obviously, after development also some improvement will come, new features get added, some extra updation happens. So whenever you are adding a new feature, whenever you are modified the old version, okay, I'm using very clean, clear, simple word, guys, for your understanding. Whenever we are modifying the old version of application into the new version, adding some new feature, modified old feature, then guys, because of that modification, we have to check or not old features is affected or not. Are you getting? Because of adding new feature, old feature affect or not, we have to check. That checking, okay, that checking is, can I say, guys, duplicate testing? Because already in a first version, you check all the feature. Now in second version, again, you have to recheck all 2000 test cases. Third version come, then again we need to cross check all the test cases. This rework which happens, that increase human effort. That effort reduced by automation. So whenever new release happen, for old feature test cases, we will have automation test script. We just need to run it automatically through automation. Within 1 day, all test case will be executed and we will get a report. Hey boss, what is pass, what is fail? Is everyone getting my point? So guys, can I say, no doubt it will reduce the human effort, but it will reduce human effort for repetitive tasks. Are you getting? You will come to know, Atiti, don't worry. Are you getting, guys? Reduce human effort, but if you stop here, trust me guys, you will get trapped in an interview. Especially if your interviewer is person like me. If you stop, it will reduce human effort. Okay, then I will ask. Okay, so conversion will not take effort. Easily anyone will crack you on that answer. So you have to say complete answer, guys. Like, reduce human effort, but for repetitive tasks. Same thing. It will save the time, means it will reduce the time required for testing of repetitive tasks. Is everyone getting my point? Is everyone getting my point? Okay. Now, guys, one more point you people say, good accuracy. To improve accuracy means guys, if you stop your answer there only, improve accuracy, I will go for automation. This is a half correct answer, guys. Partially correct answer. Tell me, if you say only that, I can ask you one question, guys. Okay. So to improve accuracy, so that means you don't have trust on your manual test engineers. Company don't have trust on manual test engineer. They will test properly. Then why company hiring them? Guys, are you getting my point? You have to say, to maintain a accuracy of repetitive task. Everywhere it is compulsory to use that word. Are you getting my point? Okay. To maintain accuracy in a repetitive task. Guys, any confusion? Any confusion? I hope in a manual you already aware about it. Okay. Now, guys, one last point is there. That last point is, okay, this point maybe you will not aware. Okay, see, first point is reduce human effort. Second is reduce time required. Then maintain accuracy. And guys, to sustain in a market competition. Guys, now this point you may get confused. How automation helps to sustain in market competition. Okay, let me give you one real time example for this. Okay, let me give you one real time example, guys. Hmm, let's assume there are companies, guys, like let's say Idea, Vodafone, Airtel. Okay, Idea, Vodafone merge up now. So let's say Vodafone Idea at a one unit, Airtel and Jio. Tell me, guys, what is the similarity of these three companies? Can I answer everyone? Okay. So guys, can I say all are belong to one business sector only? Yes or no? Whatever the business idea Vodafone is having, same business Airtel having, same business Jio also having. Okay. Now, guys, now in this story, okay. So all these three are belongs to same business. Then guys, let's assume, guys, tomorrow Mukesh Ambani means Jio launch a new feature, 50 rupees recharge, 1 year unlimited call, unlimited data, unlimited everything with a 4G, 5G high speed net. Tell me guys, super duper plan or not? Possible? Okay. So now guys, you tell me, if Jio release this plan, then what is the impact of this plan on other business like Idea, Airtel? What will be the impact on them, guys? Can you tell me? Correct, guys. Can I say it become a huge loss for those companies? Obviously, it become a huge loss for that company. Now, immediately within 1 or 2 days, okay, those people will lose their customers, because don't forget, guys, their customers are Indians. We are Indians. If we came to know, let it be. I'm no more Idea user. Go to the Jio. I will get more benefit. Correct. We are Indians, guys. Don't forget this. Now, guys, now see what others need to do. What others need to do. There are three choices. Okay. So Airtel, Vodafone, Idea, all other companies, they will stop Jio. One option, hey Jio, don't release this offer, otherwise I will kill you. This is one solution. Tell me, how many people are thinking first solution is applicable? Not at all. Okay. Not at all. So now second solution is, guys, because obviously Jio Mukesh Ambani will say my business is my business, none of your business. I will give any offer whatever I want to give. Okay. So guys, now second option for Airtel Vodafone Idea is Jio is giving 50 rupees recharge 1 year. Idea Vodafone Airtel should give some more beneficial plan. Let's say 30 rupees. Let's say 45 rupees. Let's say 40 rupees. Something below than that. Then only they can hold the customers. Now tell me, how many people are thinking second solution is preferable? Guys, think, think practically. First solution is not possible. Second solution is also not possible. Tell me, guys, end of the day, they will be in a loss only. Why they will bear again loss? Why they will bear again loss? Now, guys, here it will not happen like that, na? Like हम तो डूबे सनम तुम्हें भी ले डूबेंगे. Correct. End of the day, they also need to run their home. Okay. So, hey guys, I cannot convert this into English. Okay. Hindi people, maybe you can understand. Remaining people, pay attention. Okay. So, now, third solution is, can I say Idea, Vodafone, Airtel, all people will give same offer what Jio is giving? Can I say this is one of the best solution? How many agree with this? Boss, don't give less, don't give more, give same, whatever Jio is giving. Okay. Now guys, yes. So, now guys, this approach is pretty much comfortable, pretty much preferable. Okay. Now you tell me, to release this offer, whatever Jio is giving, Jio giving 50 rupees plan per year. So let's say Idea, Vodafone, Airtel also giving 50 rupees plan per year. For that, guys, these companies need to modify their application or not. Idea, Vodafone, Airtel need to do some changes in their software or not at a immediate level. So, guys, now if they make the changes, now come back to the real part, guys. Come back to the automation. If they make the changes, can I say our job comes? Check old feature affected or not? Obviously, when they will make the changes, they cannot release it. They have to cross check. Now, guys, if automation is not there, then to check all the old scenarios once again, whether they affect or not, guys, minimum 3 to 4 months required or not? Because hardly any company will hire how many manual test engineer, guys? Even though they hire 200 employee, 500 employee, still minimum 1 month is needed. Now tell me, guys, 1 month is more than enough to spoil their business or not? more than enough to spoil their business? Because guys, again, don't forget one thing, we are Indians. Within a 2 days, we will get affected. What is the benefit of 1 month? Here, guys, automation plays very important role. Let's assume now all the scripts are ready. They will make the changes. All the scripts run at one shot. Within a 1 day, all 2000 scripts will execute, 2000, 5000 scripts will execute, and very next day they can release the new feature. Guys, now you understood how automation helps company to sustain in a market. Is everyone clear up? Okay. Guys, note down these 4 points. Why we'll go for automation? Ah, done with the copy? Okay. So guys, now you tell me, so what is automation? Done. Why we go for automation? Done. Now, when we go for automation, okay. So now my question is, when we will go for automation? When we will start automation? Guys, I can expect the answer from your end. Tell me, when we go for automation? Okay. Deepshika, that is the why answer. Okay. When practically when we will start, that we are asking. Okay. Okay. Guys, guys, now listen to me carefully. Listen to me very carefully, guys. When we go for automation, always remember one thing, guys. Automation always done on stable application. Are you getting my point, everyone? Automation always carried on stable version. Okay. So guys, once application is stable, then we will go for automation. Because guys, we will never go for automation for unstable application. Unstable means where frequently changes are happening, where everything will get modified on a daily basis. Within 2 days, 3 days, within 2 days, 3 days, they are changing UI, they are changing source code, they are changing features. If this unstable behavior is there, we cannot go for automation. And now, guys, these features means this behavior, unstable behavior, will always happen in a first release. Yes or no? First version of application. So, guys, ultimately, ultimately, when we will go for automation, once application is stable, when application is stable, guys, can I say whenever I will release first first version of application means let's say first release is happening. After first release, can I say application is stable? We are releasing that to the production environment, to the market. That means it is stable. We are considering it is stable. Then guys, we will go for automation. Means after first release, we will go for automation. Is everyone clear with this? Is everyone clear with this? Note down this, everyone. What is automation? Why we go for automation? When we go for automation? Okay. Done with the copy? Yeah. Once done, let me know. So, guys, now see, next part is boss, what type of testing takes place in automation? See guys, these are very basic level questions what I am covering right now. Okay. When we go for automation, why we go for automation, what type of testing takes place in automation? Tell me. What type of testing takes place in automation? Correct, guys. Correct. Okay. Regression testing. Because of adding new feature, check old features. Old features testing, always called as regression. So, guys, in a automation, none other than we will do regression testing. Okay. Is everyone clear on this? Is everyone clear on this? Okay. So, guys, note down this also. Note down this also. Now, guys, guys, remaining part of our automation thing. Okay. Like there are some interesting stuffs. Okay. Now, guys, our daily session, you will learn some new things. Very interesting things. Okay. So that part we will continue in a tomorrow session. Tomorrow, guys, we will start our session at sharp 11. Today, first day, I am also facing some login issue. You guys also facing. But now everything resolved. You got webinar ID, how to join everything. Okay. So tomorrow at sharp 11, we will start our automation session and we will continue remaining part. Is it clear, everyone? Yes, Jita. Same time. Yeah. Fine, guys. See you guys. See you tomorrow for automation.